Good afternoon, Con here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about iOS 17 Beta 7. Just released yesterday by Apple. Unfortunately, I was not home and able to do my normal install live stream, so I missed that for Beta 7. We don't have too much new in terms of features. There are a lot of bug fixes here in Beta 7. They are really narrowing down the bugs. There's a lot of new bugs, but that's a good thing. They're finding the bugs before the public release. So fixing bugs, finding bugs, getting that all cleared out for the public release here. So hopefully that will really help out iOS 17 be a good, stable release to the public. One of the changes is in the phone app. They changed, I'm not going to open the phone up because I have phone numbers in there, but they moved over the end call button to the middle in Beta 6. Now in Beta 7, when you're on the keypad during a call, if you open up your keypad, the button used to be over here on the right side. It has also now been moved over into the middle to line up with the change in Beta 6 where it was moved on the main call screen as well. So they moved that over. The AirPods now have a audio feedback for your Pro 2 AirPods on the beta with the adaptive noise cancellation, or sorry, the adaptive the noise, you know, when you talk and your AirPods will mute. I forget what they call that exactly. Let me see if my AirPods, yeah, they're not showing up in the settings right now to do that. Let me see if I can get them connected to it here. And yep, here we go. Your conversation awareness, that's what I was looking for. Conversation awareness is now has audio feedback. For the first time it automatically activates, so it will give you audio feedback letting you know what happened and why it lowered the volume, and it will tell you that you can change that setting in Control Center. So that is new here in Beta 7. I'm not sure if you need the AirPods beta for that. Obviously for like the conversation awareness and stuff you do. I don't know if you need the newest beta for that, or if that is something that is built in to Beta 7 on the iOS side of things. So those are the changes there on that. Battery life is doing a little bit better. On the 14 Pro side of things, I'm doing this video on the 13 Mini right now, but on the 14 Pro side of things, battery life is more in line with getting about a day out of it now. A lot of people are reporting that they're not having to charge multiple times a day to get through the day on the 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max. As you guys know, iOS 16 and iOS 17 betas have been kind of hard on the 14 series and have been lowering the battery health quite significantly. Over the past year, a lot of people are seeing about 90%, 85 to 90% battery health just at the year mark, which isn't too abnormal, but it is a larger drop than we have seen in the past. In line for what the iPhone battery is designed for, though, cycle-wise, if you're charging once or twice a day, 90 to 95% is probably about normal for that. But a lot of people are seeing drops more significant than they have in the past on previous devices. So that is just something to be aware of when you're running these betas. It is a little bit harder on the battery because the battery life is not as good and you're having to charge more frequently. But that is Beta 7 right there. Like I said, a lot of new bug fixes, a lot of back-end stuff. We are here now to the point where we're probably not going to be seeing too much new in terms of features. It's going to be more bug fixes and trying to get all those cleared out for the release in September. So we are now getting weekly betas on Tuesdays, so look forward to that. I will try to be doing my streams here for the next release, but I do have physical therapy for my ankle. As you guys know, I have that injury if you watch my shorts, so I do have that usually on Tuesday morning to midday, so sometimes I may miss these live streams when the beta rolls out. But that is iOS 17 Beta 7. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.